You have updated to iOS 18.2.1, and with it comes the dreaded battery drain issue. Don't worry, though. This guide will show you how to reduce battery consumption with a few practical tips. If your battery is draining faster than usual, wait a few days. If things don't improve after a few days, it's time to take action. Start by checking for another iOS update. Open Phone Settings. Go to General. Then tap Software Update to see if a new version is available. If so, install it. Next, consider turning off haptic feedback to save battery. Open Settings. Scroll to Sounds and Haptics, and select the Haptic section. Choose either Never Play or Play in Silent mode to reduce the vibration. Another setting to adjust is Screen Distance. From the Settings home screen, tap on Screen Time and find the Screen Distance option. Make sure it's turned off. This can also use extra battery power. Lastly, minimize your use of cellular data. Wi-Fi consumes less energy than cellular connections, so whenever possible, switch to Wi-Fi to reduce battery usage. Furthermore, if you have multiple apps running in the background, close them to conserve battery power. You can do this by double-clicking the Home button or swiping up and holding on recent iPhone models, then swiping up on each app to close it. By following these simple tips, you should be able to reduce battery consumption and extend the life of your iPhone's battery.